I saw a Rashi in Masechet Kiddushin. Do we have a Masechet Kiddushin here? If not, I will say bye. Okay, we have 3-4 minutes. We're finishing. 5 minutes. This a Gemara in Kiddushin, page 31A. 30A. Tanu Rabbanon, very famous Gemara. The rabbis taught us. vShinantam. The Torah says vShinantam. Levanecho, you should teach the Torah to your children. And not only children, also your students. There's a chiyuv to teach Torah to your students and to your children. Page 30, Amud Aleph. Lamed Amud Aleph. Tanu Rabbanon vShinantam. Shiur divrei Torah mechudodim beficha. The Torah should be sharp in your mouth. She'im yishalcha adam, if a man asks you a question, al tegamgem, do not mumble. I say gamgem, stutter. Don't stutter. The tomorrow and then he answers, stutter and then he answers. Elai mol miyad, he has to answer right away, as it says, emol lachokma choitiyad. You should tell him to the wisdom, you're my sister. Same with sisters, clear? No, it's your sister. The Torah has to be like your sister. And more than that, kashrem al Botzer, you should tie it on your fingers. Uchasrem al luach libech, you should write it on a luach. I say luach? Tablet of your heart. And the Griz in Masechet Soita brings down, that the Chiyuv brings down the Rambam, that the Chiyuv to be written on the tablet of your heart means that you can look and you can read it forward and backwards. That's what he says. That's the Chiyuv of Talmud. It's a scary Griz. But that's not what I want to speak about.
I mean, that's like the miracle when Lucas was given.
Yes.
Yeah.
Backward, forward, we can see the front of your eyes. That's the level of Chiyuv Talmud. But here, Rashi teaches us very important as to do with us. And that's the revolution we started this man in Yeshiva. Rashi says, Iyu mechodadim beficha. The Torah has to be sharp in your mouth. How does the Torah has to be sharp in your mouth? Rashi says a very, very important message has to do with every one of us. Choizer aleim, you go over them. Okay, the key is you go over. But he says more, 2 more words. This is the key piece of the Diaspora Yeshiva. Tafshin Ayin Tet Aleph Yil, basically. Ubedoik be'oinkom, and check the depths. Go over them and check the depths. She'im yishalcha adam, if a man will ask you, lo titztarech lechem eminah, to be needed to stutter, and asher tuchal, rather you have the ability, lo yimar miyad, to say right away. Now what does that mean? It says a very big yesod. If you learn, you don't review, you don't know. But you can review all day long, or you have a computer that tells you the words without review, is there. Doesn't make you to have the ability to fulfill the mitzvah of vShinantam levanecho. This is the Rosh Yeshiva Zechet Tzadik Kodesh used to tell us as little kids many times. He told us, listen, computers have been invented. He says, in my days when I was a young boy, the big thing was Rosh Yeshiva stood up and he said, I found a Rashi, I found a Mekor Chaim, I found a Ktsos. He found, not many people have books, he had more knowledge. So he found. Then they started to build the Kondatsias. He says, then they found the computers. He told us that it was going to be the best in the world. Now we see, 40 years later, computers is like an offhand in your palm of your hand. And the best computers are little chips you can have. So you went down in your glasses, you press or visualize, it'd be like, who knows what, hologram, like grams, who knows what. Many different things. Technology. So I don't need the mitzvah of vShinantam levanecho should be sharp. Everything is sharp. I asked Rabbi Google, he tells me exactly what I want. No! So maybe the point of review I don't need today. But, ubedoik be'oinkom, check the depths. Because if somebody asks you a question, and I need a medam milsa lemilsa, without checking the depths, I wasn't able to fit it to a new case, to a new situation. Time, place, Torah is life, Torah is Chaim. So when the Torah says, teach your son to be sharp, that your methods to be sharp, your students or your children, and the big Shmuel, you guys learned in his last month, those learned from Rabbi Saktin, that vShinantam levanecha is no din meyuchad on the father to teach your children. Even your talmidim is the same. Your ben chaveroi, the son of your friend, or your children is all the same. Just your children have din kedima. But vShinantam levanecha means talmidim. What chiyuv does a father has? The Kohen Yidlu says means to put money. You hear this? To give money to worship the Yeshiva. That's the chiyuv. That's the vShinantam levanecha. But the fact of the passing over of the information, it's no din of the father more than anybody else. You have to teach your children, your talmidim, everybody have chiyuv to all Klal Yisrael. V'shinantam levanecha. It's a din Klal Yisrael. So it's a din of Yeshiva, the rabbis, and yourself. You have to know kol haTorah kula, v'shinantam levanecha. The Torah has to be sharp. In what way the Torah has to be sharp? That if somebody asks, you cannot stutter then answer. Stutter means 1 second. I check in the computer. Then you answer. No. Emol miyad. You have to answer right away. How can a person has to answer right away? And why do we need that? What's wrong if I was stuttered and I answer? We'll get the answer. Stutter 2-3 seconds, 2-3 minutes, I stutter and give an answer. It's a chisaron of a connection of a person to Hashem, to the Torah of Hashem. It's a chisaron in eichus, in value. Eichus means quality of your relationship to the Torah and connection to Hashem. And how you have the top connections, not only to review, is to go down to the depths. When a person goes down to the depths, check the depths. When you check the depths of the Torah, then you can apply that it becomes alive. First it was in you, you're part of it, you check the depths, so it's part of you. And when you check it in the depths is with you, you can apply it, it's living Torah. It's not a dead Torah. So what the Yeshiva is doing now, I started it at night, like years ago, right, Rebel? Used to go, at night used to be Iyun. That's what Shlomo used to tell me. We started again, that Iyun would be learned also at night, not only in the morning. And everybody, all the Bachim are required to come at night. Because they do come. But 15, 20 guys, not enough. Some remnants floating out. You have to bring them in. They come in. Learn Iyun. So you learn your whole day around Iyun. It becomes part of you. It's another quality of relation to the Torah and Hashem. It's what the Yeshiva is teaching you. To go down to the depths of the Torah, not to be satisfied with just, on the top. Oh, now also you check on there. Continue on. You know what this word does? This line means. Wow. Oh, you can work for the next 2-3 months just understand one line of mission. Wow. How much depths? Check the depths. Can I apply it? This is what the Yeshiva is teaching and training. vShinantam levanecha, the thing has to be sharp. The thing has to be an eichus and quality, another level of quality of the Yeshiva quality. Of Iyun, Doik. Otherwise, you're not a student of the Yeshiva. You can be a student of a Beis Medrash, not of the Yeshiva. Of a Yeshiva is a vShinantam, check the depths. Not only to review, is to check the depths. And if you don't learn the depths, you're out. It's a chisaron and eichus, chisaron and quality and relation to the Torah and Hashem. Has to be miyad. Answer right away. Can you give your life for it? Used to kid. It's alive. It's real. It's to be to the end. With all the strength. It's real. We are in a real, true relation with Hashem. Baruch Hashem.